culminating in the accelerating tail-up hover. The LUH proceeding rearwards with a unique tail rotor design, allowing it to handle strong winds in any direction. And there it is, the tail-up hover, showcasing the razor-sharp response and control power available to the pilot.
Ladies and gentlemen, please direct your attention to observe the LUH accelerating and positioning itself to demonstrate two sharp stall turns. This chopper has the markings of a winner as it will now pull up to perform a marvelous maneuver, the stall turn. Climbing up steeply as it bleeds its speed to zero and with a sharp rudder turn, accelerating down